I've got to be real quiet so nobody hears me opening this box. I just can't wait for Christmas to get my Christmas doll. So I'm going to get her out and I can put her back in later. Who's there?
Hi, Mrs. G. It's Momoko.
Momoko, why aren't you home in bed?
Momoko wanted to come spend the night with Mrs. G. What are you doing, Mrs. G? Are you sneaking and opening one of your Christmas presents, Mrs. G?
Oh, Momoko, I'm opening one of my Christmas presents because I just can't wait till Christmas. You can spend the night, Momoko, but you have to sit there and be quiet. Don't make any noise. I might as well turn the lights on so I can see what I'm doing.
Look, Mrs. G. Momoko wearing Christmas pajamas for Toddler Tuesday with Mandy at Mandy's Cuddlebug Nursery. Look, Mrs. G. Momoko have his baby shark underwear on to do July at Christmas with Cena's dolls.
Oh, that's good, Momoko, but I think you better put your pajamas back on.
Momoko's also doing Cheeky Monkey Monday because you know Momoko's a cheeky monkey.
Yes, you are, Momoko. Now remember, you have to sit there and be real quiet while I get this doll out of the box. Did you ever feel like you weren't the most intelligent person in the world, Momoko?
Momoko feel like that most of the time, Mrs. G.
Well, Momoko, I figured if I'm not the most intelligent person in the world, then what's the next best thing?
Carrots, Mrs. G. Carrots are the next best thing. Do you have any carrots for Momoko, Mrs. G?
Here, Momoko, you can have a whole bag of carrots. Just please stay quiet. No, what I mean, Momoko, is if you can't be the most intelligent person in the world, then the next best thing is to have the world's most intelligent talking doll.
Mrs. G. These carrots. Good.
For ages 3 and up.
How old are you, Mrs. G?
Well, Momoko, when it says ages 3 and up, I'm on the up end. Julie, the world's most intelligent talking doll.
Mrs. G looks like she has so much intelligence that it blew her head up.
That's just a minor technicality. We can reattach that. There, now, see there, that's much better. Just look at her, Momoko. She's adorable. Julie, the world's most intelligent talking doll. She just needs a spa day, some new clothes, shoes, and let's see if she works.
Hi, my name is Julie.
Look at that, Momoko.
Do you want to keep doing this?
Yes.
Let's have a party.
Look, Momoko, her eyes move and her mouth moves.
Ooh, it's nice to wear pretty clothes.
She wants to have a party and wear pretty clothes.
Are you still having fun?
Yes.
I trust you. You're my friend.
Whoa, Mrs. G.
Momoko, don't talk with your mouth full.
Hey, Mrs. G, can Momoko play with Julie tomorrow when Momoko gets up? You don't have to worry about what Mr. G thinks about Momoko spending the night. Momoko tell Mr. G Momoko came last night and Mrs. G was opening her Christmas present.
No, Momoko. No, just, you gotta understand. You have to stay quiet tonight, and you have to stay quiet in the morning, too.
Oh, Mrs. G. Mrs. G, does Mr. G know you were opening the Christmas present?
Well, Momoko, you gotta admit, she would look so much cuter, all cleaned up and her hair fixed in a pretty little Christmas outfit, and Christmas shoes, sitting under the Christmas tree, than sitting under the Christmas tree in that awful box she came in.
I suppose, Mrs. G.
And you're not going to tell me, Momoko, that with all the brothers and sisters that you have at your house, that you guys don't sneak and peek in the Christmas presents.
We rip them open as soon as they go under the tree, Mrs. G. We're cheeky monkeys. That's what cheeky monkeys do.
Good night, little buddy. Sleep tight.